This is a board game you can make at home easily. It will improve the problem solving skill of the child, and the child has to move one block at a time and make the same lines of colors. So let's start this game. You are the winner. Okay, congratulations. Memory card game. It will improve the picture memory. Lay matching letter card face down on a table. Ensure your sets of cards contain all matching pairs. I have written capital and small letters, so it will be useful for recognizing the capital and small letter. The first person flips over two cards. If it's a match, then keep the cards and go again. If it's not a match, must flip the cards back over and move on to the next person. Keep matching until all cards are gone. The person with most matches wins. This is a wonderful way to help a child brain development. This is a dots and boxes game. Dots and boxes is a pencil and paper game of two players. The game starts with an empty grid of dots. So let's start. Usually, two players takes turn adding a single horizontal or vertical line between two dots. Who make the box first earn 1 point and take another turn. Okay, take another turn. The game ends when no more lines can be placed. The winner is the player with the most points. So it is a very interesting game for your kids, and try. Take another chance.
Okay.
Very good. Hello, this is a picture memory game, and it this game improve the memory of the kids. So this is a picture memory game. I have written 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 number and sticks the picture behind the cards. So I flip the cards. Flip all the cards. Then memorize the pictures.
Okay.
Juice, cake,
apple, and vegetables.
noodles, cake and juice. Okay, now memorize. Okay, now flip over the cards. Now can you tell where is the juice?
Juice number 1.
Very good. Okay, now where is the vegetables?
6 number.
Very good. So it will improve the memory skill of the kids. So this is a easy number Sudoku game. It improves the thinking power of the kids. Just draw a square, and we have started from basic level of the Sudoku. So I have draw only 3 rows and 3 columns, and write the number here 1, 2, 3. Rows are horizontal line and columns are verticals from up to down, and row from left to right. And so let's start this game. I have written 3 numbers in the square, 1, 3 and 2. So find out. And the rule of this game is numbers should not repeat in the row and the column. So this is 1 and 3. So which number is missing? 2. And 3 and 2, which number is missing? 1. So now 1, 2. No, because number should not be repeat. So I will write here 3 and I will write here 2 and this is 2. So I will write here 1 and I will write here 3. Next example is 3, 4, 5. Just like I have written 5, 3 and 3. So let's start this game. 3, 4, 5. 4 is missing, so I will write here 4. Now 3 and 4 is in this column. 3 is present, 4 is present. Which number is missing? 5. So I will write 5 here. Now 5, this is 5. So I will write here 4 and I will write here 3. So 5 and 3. So which number is missing? 4. So which number is missing? 5. So try now.